अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज के हम इस वीडियो में 8615 के क्विज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे कि अल्लामा इकबाल यूनिवर्सिटी ने लास्ट टाइम किस टाइप का क्विज़ दिया था। ये वो क्वेश्चन है जो हर ग्रुप में मोस्टली रिपीट हुए थे। आपने इस वीडियो को गौर से देखना है और इन क्वेश्चंस और आंसर को माइंड में रखना है। इंशाल्लाह आपका क्विज़ भी बहुत अच्छा अटैम्प्ट होगा। डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इज इट। करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, सब्जेक्टिव। साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ। Correct option A, Frederick W. Taylor. Self and peer assessment are important in assessment for learning, which will. Correct option B, help students to increase the ability to achieve. A control chart with dash indicates the standard of process. Correct option C, central line. In dash, strategy is brought into action. Correct option C, strategy evolution. Educational dash deal with the administering all the affairs inside a academia. Correct option B, management. The formula of action learning is. Correct option C, P is equal to L plus Q. Benchmarking is an tool. Correct option A, improvement. Dash is the amount of time an activity can sleep before it causes your project to be delayed. Correct option C, float. Quality defined by customer is. Correct option D, a user-based definition of quality. Management is the art of getting things done through people is a concept of. Correct option B, Peter Drucker. Which is not related to the modern system approach to appraisal. Correct option A, it is less formal. The concept of sequential and parallel tasks can be understood easily through Gantt chart. Dash are used to show calendar, time, task, assignment in day, week or month. Gantt chart. Decisions are on the base of long-term is in. Correct option A, strategic decision. Quality management is a method for. Correct option C, testing. Self and peer assessment are important in assessment for learning, which will. Correct option C, help students to increase the ability to achieve. Creative and innovative nature of management mean. Correct option B, dynamic.